Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're moving on to 6.2, and it's the size of equal groups. So we have another quick video that we're going to go ahead and watch here in order to remind ourselves what it means to divide.
Hey kids, how you going?
I'm having some mandarin, my favourite fruit.
Oh, I love mandarin.
Do you want some?
Oh, yes, please.
Oh, you have one piece.
That's not very fair.
I think we better share it fairly.
I think so.
Okay, Dave, the easiest way, I'll give you one piece and another piece for me, and we share it out equally like this, one at a time.
That looks fair.
Yep, 3. So how many do we have each then, Dave?
We have 4 each. Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
Let's look at some animations on sharing.
Yeah.
Oh, Mummy, can you please help me? I've got all these lollies and lolly bags, and I need to share them for my party that is coming up.
Oh, darling, that's easy. I'll show you how to do it. The most important thing to remember is to make it fair. Let's count your lollies. Shall we do it together?
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good counting, darling. So we've got 12 lollies. How many lolly bags do you have?
I have 3.
Okay, so we have to make sure we put the same amount in each one. The easiest way to do it is one at a time. I'll show you the first one.
Okay.
1 here, 1 here, and 1 here.
Oh, that doesn't look too hard. Can I have a go?
Of course.
1 here, 1 here, and 1 over here.
Wonderful. I'll do the next one. 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here.
And I'll do the last. 1 over there, 1 in the middle, and 1 over here.
Excellent, darling. Now we have to check that everybody has the same amount in their lolly bag. Can you check how many Jimmy has?
Okay. He has 1 here, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Good. How many does Simon have in his?
He's got 1, 2, 3. He's got 4 as well.
Good. It's looking fair so far. And what about Peter?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's got 4 as well.
Oh, it looks like we've done a good job here. So we had 12 lollies to start with and 3 lolly bags. And how many did they get in each lolly bag?
4, Mummy. 4.
Well done. You just shared 12 lollies equally with 3 lolly bags. Great work.
Thank you. All right, puppies.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do some more problems on our own. So it says Hector has 12 rocks from a nearby state park. He puts an equal number of rocks in 3 boxes. How many rocks are in each box? So when you multiply, you put equal groups together. When you divide, you separate them into equal groups. So that is the big difference between multiplying and dividing. So you can divide to find the number in each group. So we have here, Madison has 15 books and she puts an equal number into 5 boxes. How many books are in each box? So, see, this is why I like doing these videos with you guys, because I can fix the mistakes. There you go. So we know that that's not actually supposed to say rocks. It needs to say books. So I'm going to go ahead and real quickly fix that. Okay, so there should be blank books in each box. So just like we did yesterday, we're going to go through and we're going to put a dot in each of these boxes. What number are we going to stop at? So how many books does she have total is what I am asking. If you said 15, you are correct. Ooh, that did not work the way I wanted it to. There we go. If you said 15, you're correct. So I'm going to put 1 in each box until I get to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel free to count along with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So how many books should go in each box? If you said 3, you are correct, my friends. Great job. Oh, it does not want to. There we go. Load. There we go. Jonah has 12 counters. He makes 4 equal groups. Draw a picture to show the number of counters in each group. So how many groups are we going to draw? So in the question, it says he makes blank equal groups. How many groups did he make? And if you said 4, you're correct. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw 4 circles. I'm going to try to draw my very best, but it is hard to do that on a Chromebook or to do it virtually, I will say that. And then, so we're going to put 4 here. Very good job. And how many counters should go in each group? So we're going to put a dot in each of these groups until we get to what number? What number are we going to stop at? How many counters does Jonah have? If you said 12, you're correct. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many counters go in each group? If you said 3, you are correct. And one thing I want you to start realizing is there is a connection between multiplication and division. So we have 12 divided by 4 equals 3, but 3 times 4 equals 12. So they're those fact families, and we'll be talking about those more later on in the week, but make sure that you are noticing that connection between multiplication and division. So now we're going to draw a quick picture in order to fill in the box below. So it says we have 10 counters and we have 2 groups. So I am going to start by drawing 2 groups. Okay, and then I am going to put a total of 10 counters on my screen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to stop here because I want you guys to figure out what 10 divided by 2 is. How many dots go in each circle? If you said 5, you are correct. And then we put the answer up here to fill in the table. So now we're going to go to the next one. I want you to get out a piece of scrap paper and figure out how many, figure out this problem. So we're going to have 6 equal groups and a total of 24 counters. So how many would be in each group? Go ahead and stop what you're doing and draw this out. By now, you should have an answer in your head, so we're going to go over that together. It says I have 6 groups, so I'm going to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to count to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So how many is in each group? If you had the number 4, you are correct. Now we're going to do 14 counters total, and there are going to be 7 groups. So I would like you to stop what you're doing and also draw this out. So what is 14 divided by 7? I'm going to start by drawing 7 groups, and I'm going to put dots in each until I get to 14. So how many go in each group? If you put 2 in each group, you are correct. And I'm going to fill this in real quick, and then we're going to talk about how it's correct. So I can count these up really quickly to make sure that I have the right answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So since I have 14 counters and 7 groups, I know that 2, oh, that's a very pretty 2, huh? 2 go in each group. Okay, last one we're going to be doing today. So it says there are 21 counters total, and there are 7 equal groups. So what is 21 divided by 7? Please answer that question here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So now I'm going to look to see how many is in each group. 1, 2, 3. So if you said 3, you are correct. And once again, something I want you to understand, 21 divided by 7 equals 3, but 3 times 7 also equals 21. So if you're given a problem and it says 21 divided by 7, well, if you know 7 times blank equals 21, then you can figure out that fact family. So like I said, we'll be going over that more later on, I believe, in the week. But just something I wanted to make sure that you guys knew how to do. So kind of cool there. Math is fun.